In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where incognito mode or private mode is not working or not available in the Safari browser on your iPhone. To access private browsing in Safari, simply open the Safari browser, then tap the two overlapping boxes in the bottom right corner. This will display all the open tabs. From here, tap Private in the bottom left corner to start browsing privately in Safari. Now, if for some reason you don't see the option for private browsing, it's likely because a certain setting is turned on that disables it. To fix this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and select Screen Time. Once you're in Screen Time, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, select App Store, Media, Web and Games, and then tap on Web Content. If this is set to anything other than unrestricted, private browsing will not be available. For example, if I choose Limit Adult Websites and go back to Safari, you'll see that private mode is no longer an option. To resolve this, just set Web Content to Unrestricted, and when you return to Safari, the private option will be available again.